Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin inside Roblox Studio with Btools enabled, open the plugin and dock the tool panel. Use a few primitive parts to block out the silhouette. Cubes, cylinders, and wedges work well. You immediately move and scale each primitive with Btools for rough proportions, because early proportion fixes avoid tedious edits later. Once you have the base shape, make sure parts are aligned and oriented. This alignment is essential before joining or converting to a single mesh. Now you refine the combined form. Enable grid/snapping and rotate parts into their final positions. This makes seams predictable and reduces cleanup. Use Btools Weld or the Model Union command to merge parts into one solid, because a unified object converts to a mesh much more cleanly. After union, inspect geometry for internal faces or inverted normals and delete them. This prevents holes or shading errors. Once clean, freeze transforms and make sure pivot placement suits how you'll use the mesh. To finish, select the final union and use export selection to save an FBX or OBJ. This preserves the combined geometry. Then import or convert that file into a mesh part and place it into a test scene to verify scale, pivot, and collision. If you see black faces, holes, or weird shading, go back to your source model. Check for non-manifold edges, overlapping faces, or inverted normals, adjust the offending area, reunion, and export again. That one fix resolves most mesh problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.